It is our job to make the driver app easier, safer, and fairer. And all the products that we will talk about today came from your feedback.
Hey, what's next? Is Uber toddler next? Uber baby? Uber little kid rides? So Uber is considering offering an option to drivers to opt in to receive ride requests from parents and guardians of children aged 10 to 12 to transport their children without parents or guardians. So they're going beyond teen now to the 10-12 range. Oh, good God. It's going to be this is going to be called Uber Kid, and pretty soon you're going to see Uber Toddler, where you should be taking a car seat, but in reality, you don't need to. We're going to look the other way. We're going to look the other way. You don't need a car seat. No, not for a baby.
What is the teen? Teen is 13 to 17, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the next level, 10 to 12. Next one is going to be 6 to 10.
Yeah.
And then the next one is going to be babysitting, I think, or something. I don't know.
Well, I don't know if it'll be Uber daycare.
Fuck, bro. So it says.
We know your parents are busy, and getting your kids to and from daycare is extremely difficult at times because you could be at work and you need to get them on. But you know what? That's what we're here for. We're here for Uber daycare, and you could get your baby to daycare, no problems, with our highly vetted drivers and extra passed in the background check that we checkered from them, and daycare, get it while it's going.
These rides, it says, would require specific driver eligibility criteria. What is that? And an additional safety procedure, meaning mandatory recording. Okay. Why don't you do that with the Uber teen? Uber? I mean,
why don't you do that with all rides?
Yeah, potentially. So here's the deal. First of all, whichever parent puts a fucking 10-year-old in a stranger's car, you got to get your head examined to start with as a parent. Uber is Uber. Uber's going to suck the blood out of this business as much as they can with whatever.
That's the whole thing. It just shows that they've penetrated the market pretty damn much, and so then they went after older, and now they where are they going to go? They got to go to the next generation. So 13 to 17, that's what Uber Teen was all about, and Lyft Teen, and now they're like, wait, we got to go even further. We got to get them while they're younger, because now we got to go 10 to 12. So now we can go 10 years. We can start them 10 driving ages around 16. And so if we get them used to Uber and Lyfts for the first 6 years of their life, they don't even need to own the car.
Well, before I forget, shout out to the CPUC of California Public Utilities Commission. The assistant director was on a panel at Herbivore, Chris. And I went ahead and introduced myself to her. And he goes, "Oh, you're the guy." I go, "Yeah, I'm the guy." I go, "I'm the guy, yeah." "Oh, we heard like a lot of blah, blah, blah." And I introduced myself to her. I go, "Thank you for listening. And thank you for shutting it down in California." She goes, "I think it was the very logical thing to do for us, because we cannot have different rules for different companies who do the same thing." Meaning hop, skip, and drive, and all these other companies, the fingerprinted and drug tested the drivers are. Because we thought it would be just completely fair for Uber and Lyft to do the same. That's why, folks, there is no Uber teen in California, and there will not be Uber toddler in California as well. So
or Lyft teen.
Or Uber. I just thought about this app, Chris. Uber diaper. So you go home to home to home, change diapers.
Oh.
Just like
Dear
the Uber.
So yeah,
home?
and you know, it's the same parents that would leave their kid in a diaper for you know, hours on end,
Yeah.
because it says 12-hour leak protection.
No bullshit. You get
Come
no
on.
baby rush. No baby rush is our motto. No baby. No baby.
No, you
gets
can't.
wet.
You can't say that. You can't say that because in the fine print it'll say we can't guarantee the timing of your child being
Well, we will
changed.
say that. Yeah. Terms of service. Yeah.
Oh man. But yeah, so that's the next thing. The question is, would you take a 10 to 12-year-old in your car? Put in the comments below. Let us know what your thoughts are on that.
If
I've already
anybody
seen a
says
few
yes,
people.
if anybody says yes to that, you guys are on the wrong chat.
Yes, next is Uber Funeral. If you have a pickup truck or anything, you can
Brilliant idea. Brilliant
or an
idea.
SUV,
right there.
you can start to carry caskets if you need.
There you go. Brilliant idea.
Or you can go behind. You could be the driver for the family that needs it instead of the limo. So
yeah, 10 to 12-year-old. Holy shit, bro.
I like Uber Cuddle Buddy more. For those lonely nights, you can have somebody come and cuddle you. Sex is optional, of course.
There is one of those, I'm pretty sure. So
yes, we've talked about it. You were going to be a cuddle buddy, remember?
Fuck, I'm too old to be a cuddle buddy.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.